All right, here's what's on the menu for chickens today. Watermelon rind, and they love it. 2, 4, 6, 8. We're missing 2 chickens. 2 chickens ain't figured out that there's dinner on the table. But they'll pick those rind clean. We should have started a time lapse, huh? So they get all the nutrition and food, and also they get water benefit, hydration benefit, because it is watermelon after all, and it's still juicy. See that juice in there? And also too, see some of these poor chickens, they molted, and then also they picked at each other when they was in the other cage. So some of them still growing back their feathers on their back. Oh, here comes one that realized there was food in the table. So the other one must be off over there too somewhere.
Graffiti. There's graffiti over there?
Nope.
I knew it.
What?
That graffiti wasn't over there. Over here.
Yeah.
Graffiti goes around.
Yeah, we need to get some of that lotion. You got a mosquito right here on the... Hey. I guess that's about it for them, huh? They're already fading off. You guys want bugs? You gonna look for bugs or what? I figured you'd eat this until it was all gone. Guess not. They got that other one picked pretty clean though. And they're all running all over the place. They're crossing the plank. They think there's bird seed left from the wild bird feeder, but there's not. Yeah. Look at it. Look at them cross the plank. There goes Blackjack across the plank.
He always goes.
Chickens all over the place.
And he goes behind you.
Yep.
Jump right in front of you.
And it's hot. You see I'm sweating. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's hot. I don't even have on my gaiters. It's too hot for that. Move my finger off the camera. We'll go get some of this mosquito lotion. What?
Oh, you were on it?
No, here. Let's see. Okay, let's see if he might be too tired to go back. Yeah, he don't want to do it now.
Gotcha.
Let's go see what's going on in the watermelon. Yep, they're all back up here to the watermelon. Guess they just gave up on it for a second. But they're back at it. Look at it closely. See all those peck marks? See, it's almost to the right now.
They even eat the rind.
Oh, yeah. They go all the way down to the skin, they will.
They'll eat the white part.
Can you hear it? Listen, shh.
listen to anything because a bug is in my ear.
Oh, a bug is in your ear. Oh my goodness. Sounds like they're eating snow cone. Crunching on crushed ice.
Or snow.
Yeah. Well, yeah, kick that back over there.
Before I don't scare them. Oh, it kind of looks like a smiley face over here.
Oh, yeah, but I see it. Smells good. Smell that watermelon. Well, that's it. That's what we got for today. Is the chickens eating up the watermelon, having a nice, refreshing snack, hydrating snack. They get the water, they get the minerals and vitamins. The watermelon is actually really healthy. And then the way I give them extra protein here lately is in the evening when I put them up, I mix some of this into their water.
Where'd you find that? Was it in the truck?
I had it in the truck, yeah. Get all that extra food supply out of the truck.
What are you trying to do? Peck me?
But all right, you want to
yeah,
deuces out? Oh wait, let me get that. All right, here, deuces out. Here, I'll. Oh, let me hold it with this hand. Oh, here, let me do it like this then. Haha. Oh, deuces, y'all. You gonna say it or no?
Deuces.
Haha. Later, y'all. Be well, be productive, enjoy everything, and I shall see ya on the next one.